1976, Neil Diamond gets together with Robbie Robertson from the band to make this album. What a beautiful noise coming up from the street. It's got a beautiful sound, it's got a beautiful beat. It's a beautiful noise going on everywhere, like a clickety clack of a train on a track. There's a rhythm to spare. It's a beautiful noise. It's a sound that I love, and it fits me as well, like a hand in a glove. Yes it does, yes it does. What a beautiful noise coming from the park. It's a song of the kids and it plays until dark. It's the song of the cars on their furious flight. But there's even romance in the way that they dance to the beat of the light. It's a beautiful noise, sound that I love, and it makes me feel good, like a hand on a glove. Yes it does, yes it does. What a beautiful noise, yeah. It's a beautiful noise, made of joy and of strife, like the symphony played by the passing parade. It's the music of life. It's a beautiful noise. It's the sound that I love, and it makes me feel good, like a hand on a glove. Yes it does, yes it does. What a beautiful noise coming into my room and is begging for